Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we're making the most popular breakfast bread in Turkey. We call it Simit. I hope you will enjoy. In a large bowl, combine 200 ml of warm fresh milk with 200 ml of warm water, 160 ml of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 40 grams of fresh yeast. And mix thoroughly. Add in approximately 5 cups of all-purpose flour gradually while kneading by hand. Carry on kneading to form a smooth and soft-to-touch dough. Cover with a tea towel and set aside for 30 minutes to let the dough rise. Meanwhile, mix 75 ml of molasses with 75 ml of water. Take tangerine-sized pieces from the dough and roll into balls. Divide each ball into 2 pieces. Now roll each piece into a long roll. And wrap them over each other. Then meet the ends to form a ring. Dip each ring first into molasses mixture, then dip in sesame seeds, making sure that they are fully coated with the seeds. Place them on a parchment-lined baking tray. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes in an oven preheated at 200 degrees. Delicious crunchy simit is ready to serve. This recipe yields 16 simits, so enjoy! And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.